right, let's get you all cleaned up. I mean, what's your daddy gonna say if you go back all smushy and sticky like this?
Vai vicino alla lavatrice.
Just clean it up. That looks good. A little bit here.
You clean up nice, little fella.
I think he's starting to look like me. Hey, Diego, what do you think?
Maybe we shouldn't do this.
Why not?
Because if we save him, he'll grow up to be a hunter. And who do you think he'll hunt?
Maybe because we save him, he won't hunt us. Ow!
Yeah, and maybe he'll grow fur and a long skinny neck and call you mama.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
Let's go. Freezing my tail off.